Hi, this is Roberto Velbi, Solution Architect and Field Application Engineer in ONDA Embedded Systems. Today, I would like to present to you ONDA Evaluation Kit. ONDA is part of the Embedded System portfolio of system on module solutions, based on AMD Xilinx Zynq UltraScale Plus system on chip. On top of the 4 Cortex A53 cores, the dual Cortex R5F cores allows to implement real-time control systems. ONDA has been designed for a compatibility with the existing BORA and BORA Xpress system on chip, enabling thus an easy update of all existing products and the generation of new solutions based on a brand new product with a minimum of 20 years availability, up to 2045. ONDA System on Module has its evaluation kit, which allows testing the main features out of the box. The evaluation kit contains the most important peripherals available on the system on chip, with buffers and power supply conditioning. The main peripherals like Ethernet, SD, USB, UART are directly usable with standard connectors. Moreover, the FMC connector allows to test additional features thanks to the plenty of FMC add-ons available in the market. Many other peripherals can be integrated in the programmable logic subsystem and made then available on the pin header connectors. See our evaluation kit documentation page for more information. Once you received the kit, please carefully check the label stuck to the box and take note of the serial number. It will be used for registering the kit in our help desk support channel. Open the box and check the kit content with the packing list using the Getting Started wiki page. ONDA Standard Evaluation Kit contains a power supply adapter and its cable adapter, an FTDI USB to serial adapter, a DB9 null model cable for the serial console, the already programmed with Dave DSP, a software micro SD card. At the end, you can find the ONDA Evaluation Kit with the sum already inserted. Now it's time to connect the cables and start your first session. Insert the SD card into the micro SD slot in the evaluation board. Connect the serial adapter USB cable to your personal computer. Connect and insert the serial cable to the evaluation kit and to the serial adapter. In your PC, open your favorite thermal application. Insert the power adapter cable plug, the 12 voltage power supply. The green LEDs tell you the board is correctly powered. On the serial console, you can see the complete system startup from U-boot to the Linux kernel console. ONDA latest embedded Linux kit has been released of Desk XZUL 200 BSP version. Thank you for joining the Dev Embedded System community. For more information, visit our website dave.eu or wiki.dave.eu.